Do you want to try making a simple and elegant cake for your beloved ones? Hi everyone! Welcome to Joyful Home Cakes. Today I'm going to show you how to make this elegant mini purple rosebud cake with cream cheese buttercream frosting. So yummy! First, we make the frosting. 339 grams unsalted butter at room temperature. Beat on medium speed until smooth. Add 170 grams cream cheese at room temperature. Beat on medium speed for about 2 minutes. Gradually add powdered sugar on low speed. In this recipe, I only added 350 grams of powdered sugar, which is just right for me. For a sweet tooth, you can add up to 610 grams of powdered sugar. One teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. .45 grams of heavy whipping cream. And a pinch of salt. Turn the hand mixer up to medium-high speed and beat it for about 3 to 4 minutes until very fluffy. Cream cheese buttercream frosting is best paired with almonds, so I roasted half a bowl of sliced almonds. Put it in the mortar and pestle to crush the almonds. Mix some cream cheese buttercream frosting with the crushed almonds. Fill and stack the layers. This recipe is for a 6-inch cake. Apply a coating to the cake with some frosting without almonds. Spread a thick layer of frosting over the sides of your cake. When the cake is fully covered, use the cake scraper to even out the sides. If there are some holes or gaps, use your offset spatula to apply extra frosting in these areas, and then go around the cake again with the cake scraper to smooth out these spots. Level off the top using your offset spatula, and put in the fridge for later use. For this unique purple rosebud, I prepared purple sweet potato powder and beetroot powder. For 250 grams of buttercream frosting, add 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of purple sweet potato powder. And then 1/4 teaspoon of beetroot powder. And this is the purple I need. For the center of the rosebud, I prepared mango powder to make the yellow a little darker. For 150 grams of buttercream frosting, I added 1 tablespoon. For the leaves, I prepared green tea powder and cocoa powder. For 100 grams of buttercream frosting, add 1½ teaspoon of green tea powder. And a pinch of cocoa powder. Before putting purple and yellow into the piping bag, we use plastic wrap to separate the colors. Spread the purple color in a rectangular block. Spread or pipe the yellow color down the middle. Fold the buttercream over itself using the plastic wrap to help you roll it up. If the roll of frosting is too long, cut it into half and put in the fridge for later use. Now we're going to decorate the cake. Apply some cream cheese buttercream frosting on the top in order to hold the flowers. I use Russian piping tip L14 7-petal rose to pipe the rosebud. Practice first to get the right rosebud I need. Start from the center with one flower. Then pipe the rest of the flowers all around. Just place tip on 90-degree angle. Squeeze and pull, super easy. Use Wilton piping tip number 352 for the leaves. Prepare a ribbon about 75 centimeters long. Wrap the ribbon around the cake. Adhere the ribbon together with double-sided tape. Adhere a bow on the ribbon. And we're done. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you like this cake and try it sometime. See you next time.